Hello everyone, welcome back to Audiology with Khwaja. In this short video, I'm trying to clarify how to enter the CRE webinar points during our renewal process. Let's get into video. A detailed step-by-step process for the renewal of RCI certificate using the CRE points is explained in another video. The link is in the description. But in this short video, we will only see about how to enter the webinar points, the online webinar points during our renewal process. After we have entered all the details in the application form, now we have to enter the CRE points details. What was the name of the webinar and how many days it was. So when we go into the option of click to add your CRE points, we'll be given an option of what kind of CRE program have we attended. Last time we had entered CRE offline program. We were given an option of for the CRE program 1 day, 2 day, 3 day till 5 days where you participate. So many options were there. But when we selected CRE program webinar, we are given only two options. Was the webinar for 1 hour or it is for 1 day? How to enter a webinar that were like 2 or 3 days? Although I'm not aware of any specific RCI guidelines that talks about how to enter these webinars, we wanted to experiment. So what we did is, let's say we have a program on a topic of auditory rehabilitation for 3 days. And usually if it is an offline program, we will select it as a CRE offline program. And then we were given option of 3 days that would give us the points for the 3 days. But in this online scenario, what we did is we made 3 entries, which means we projected as if we had attended 3 different webinars on the same topic, like auditory rehabilitation, auditory rehabilitation, auditory rehabilitation, and we selected as per day, per day, per day. So we got a point collective of those 3 days, and we applied with the same idea, and happily they had given us the RCI renewal certificate. And this is not a guideline from the RCI. They have not told us to do this, but we tried this option and it worked. So we thought of sharing this. Thank you for listening.